Hello, may kilala kita, Subong, ha? Hello, we are currently here at Mary Mart and look, celebrating Sticker Fest 2024. Anong inyo gina-offer sa inyong booth?
Stickers, waterproof stickers, mga blush, may handmade items man kami, kag mga retro toys.
Ayun, there are a lot of things here. So, makadto kita sa booth kang mag-explore.
Please welcome Ilonggo. Mami!
here now at the most exciting part of the program at Shouted Cafe, Mami, Paris. Kakain tayo mamaya. We will be hosting the Padasig-dasig Magkaon sang Mami. Ready na ka mo? Kaya ako ready na ako magkaon.
May gusto mo na event ka, ma'am?
Ano ang pinaka-namin na part sa ating event?
Kantaya na!
Wow!
Katsuban ka?
Wow, Katsuban Craft! Sino kayo makaupo sa Katsuban Craft? Hello, hello! Here you go. Ano ni mo? Ano na baligya?
Mga keychain, pins, prints, stickers.
Wow, may mga keychains, prints, stickers. Price range na to, sir?
10 pesos until 120 pesos.
Wow, very affordable. Wow, ano mga services na to, sir?
We have the amazing X Tower, where newbies or any player, aspiring player, can battle our flying big bosses in Beyblade.
Ayun! Alright! Yes! So, ready mo na i-break ang mga bones sa tatlong contenders?
I don't know, pero
Maybe! Ipinakadasig, rare receipt, posters, ng Ivan Tambayan. So, we have here, Black Clover, Sword of the Wizard King, and of course, see? And 3, 2, 1, go!
may pamagro. Oo, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much!
Thank you for participating, and thank you for having Shouted up and the sponsor of Mami eating contest for this afternoon. Speaker Fest, thank you. Mr. Imam, thank you.
Of course, our event would be possible without the help of our major sponsor, Ibang Tambayan. Sir Lorenzo, mga offerings din.
IBAM is a pretty great place to get your hobby items. You show the one that I am most intimate with, which is Beyblade X. Beyblade X is one of the amazing products we have here. We have tournaments every week, sponsored by IBAM themselves. You might need. And also, are you a tactician? Are you a strategist? Do you like to command men into war, into battle? Are you able to be passionate enough to be in a war? That's right, we have Warhammer. Warhammer is an amazing game for amazing strategists. Also, you got these anime figurines. You got these Chibi Boku no Hero, Chibi other anime, Bleach, JJK, and do you like Godzilla? Godzilla's right there. Everything. Is that right? If you like to race, if you like cars, if you like mechanics, we got Tamiya. The most amazing thing about IBAM is the community. As long as you're respectful, you don't steal, as long as you show love, it's all good. Does that answer you?
Yes. It's really the community here in IBAM man nga ako nga ginabalikan. So thank you so much Lorenzo and to the whole community sa nga anime and of course hobbyists, enthusiasts. Thank you so much and hopefully see you next year. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!